Okay, moving on to the next questions here. Cindy colors each region of the pattern either red, blue, or yellow. She colors regions that touch each other different colors. So let's say if a region is touching both red and blue, the color obviously would be yellow. She colors regions she colors the outer region blue, so it's already given to us that the outer region will be blue, so this one right here will be blue. How many colors how many regions of the completed pattern can be colored blue? Okay, so let's see. Now, because the outside is blue and it's touching this one and this one, they can be either yellow or red, right? Now I need to go back and see, okay, well, this region right here is touching both yellow and red, right? So the only option we can put here out of the three colors is blue, because this region shouldn't touch either yellow or red. Now we have the next region. We know it's touching yellow from here, right? And it's also touching blue from here. That means the only color that can go in here is red. Now, this region right here, this one, is touching both blue and red. That means the only color that can go in it is yellow. And then we have this region, which is touching yellow and red. So blue goes here again. And because the circle in between, the only color that can go here is red, right? So our answer here is 1, 2, and 3. So, B.